System stable.
All parameters stable.
The symmetry and color depth are truly remarkable. A well-deserved masterpiece grade of 97.8. The assessment is concluded.
Look at the colors! They are beautiful.
Absolutely stunning.
Form 9.6.
Color 9.8 and motion 9.7.
Overall, champion ready.
This section alone holds the rarest specimens in the world. Watch how they school together.
So beautiful.
Amazing colors.
Extremely strong energy flow, great fortune and prosperity. more beautiful than even competition Japanese koi. It's like looking at a living painting.
Pitch level 0.000. Rainbow, amazing clarity. It's like watching a living art exhibition.
The Emperor Koi School promotes strong energy flow, bringing wealth and good fortune. Red, golden, yellow, white represent a perfect balance of fire, metal, and water elements.
Expensive, but worth every penny.
Meets Premium Emperor 6S Standard.
Analysis complete. Pure DNA キラ色 100% Japanese.
The final tally is in 9.98. Truly an emperor masterpiece.
Temperature okay, oxygen okay, vibration okay. Everything is confirmed, sir.
We welcome this new life into our home.
It's beautiful, Father.
Like a living painting.
The Emperor School creates a strong energy field, attracting wealth, stabilizing Qi flow, favorable Qi circulation, symbolizing prosperity.
Unbelievable, beautiful, like a living art exhibition.
Mommy, they're sparkling.
Processing. Perfect swimming form. Grand champion level.
Analysis complete. Lineage. Japanese pure blood verified.
Gentlemen, the results are in.
Approved. A truly magnificent specimen.
Manifest confirmed. Temperature holding at 2 Celsius.
Root set and stable. Oxygen levels locked.
Seal the container.
Everything is verified, sir. Please sign here. Excellent.
All parameters match, sir. Safe to release the koi.
Excellent. Let's do it.
A masterpiece. Ooh.
It looks like a living treasure.
This is a gift of art and science.
Absolutely stunning. Would you hit for something?
I have never seen anything like it. What incredible colors.
This dashboard shows real-time swimming speed and stress levels.
And this data is collected via the RFID tag?
Exactly. From the pond, straight to the cloud AI for analysis.
This is the future of high-end industrial koi breeding, utilizing advanced AI, IoT technology, and our standard filtration system.
I've never seen such beautiful koi.
The Emperor Koi lineage from Vietnam has garnered global acclaim for its perfect colors and unprecedented industrial standards.
What makes Emperor Koi the pinnacle?
Technology, ceramic environment, genetics, ceramic, and a passion for art.
And look at this incredible spiral formation, truly a sight to behold. Whoa!
The Emperor lineage represents red and whitish, red and white sun. The pristinely strong yang qi.
The Emperor lineage could be valued up to 200,000, 500,000 USD per fish. The global market is booming.
What makes Emperor Koi different?
Technology, cleanliness, and the philosophy of perfection.
Beautiful fish are not by chance. It is science. It is absolute cleanliness. It is respect for nature.